Welcome. This is Rodan. And because you seem concerned about the coming changes and things that your scientists are reserving for their own purposes, I have decided to speak with you about these things. You will be aware that there are many changes upon this planet. Temperature changes, weather changes, whatever you choose to call them. Your oceans will be heated up this year beyond anything they have ever done before. Your country, Australia, will feel these heat surges on the eastern coasts, and they will also come through the islands, through that area. This is going to be an extremely hot time, and as such, you will discover that many things are breaking down. That which you call the Antarctic and the Arctic are literally melting, and it is from here that they have information and indeed images of worlds before, civilizations that were upon this planet before humanoid time. They will reveal many places of power, for the places of power are portals, wormholes if you choose, places of entry and exit from one planet or one dimension or realm to another. They already have significant information about the pyramids that lie within the limitations of Antarctica. They already have maps, if you will. I'm trying to put this into human language, which is very restrictive. Maps, if you will, of beneath the ice that show the buildings, the cities. They also have this off the east coasts. So very shortly there will come forward information from your scientists, maybe not your government, but from your scientists, about many places and many things which will change how you see your history. It is significant that the politicians or rulers attempt to keep things the same, for they do not wish to alter the line of history, of recorded history. But recorded history was recorded long before they existed and will come to the forefront now. What does this mean to the humanoids? It will show them that they are not the only peoples upon this planet. They will learn the history of this planet was not always by humans. They will learn how to work with the different realms and different frequencies. For many of the generations and the peoples who generated energy upon this planet have left very much in their path for the future to connect with. They understood that this time would come when humans would put themselves in a perilous position yet again. And whenever humanoids have put themselves in perilous conditions, there has come an answer from the past. So you need to be aware that no matter what happens upon this planet, past generations have left you patterns, left you maps, left you plans, left you release, and these will come forward. There will be within 5 years a general downfalling of all governments in all countries, and the world will reach to unite and govern as one. This will not be an easy process, but it will come to pass. For when the world, your universe, is in accordance with all, there will be peace. We understand that these next 5 years can be very difficult for you, and we ask that you prepare You may prepare by growing some of your own food, collecting the seeds that will grow the food, for it will become very, very hot, and it will be difficult to supply food for the multitudes, and the multitudes will reach to each other. If each household provides for them and their immediate family, you will have survival. But this must be prepared for. There is another, what you call pandemic, which will be within a year, 18 months. Do not buy into the dramatics that was through last time, for this is merely a blip. It was necessary for the world to rest for a while, and it will be necessary again for the world to take a breath, the planet itself. There will be many things that will come from beneath the ocean, and many prophecies will be completed. There is much that is coming to the surface of this planet at the moment, whether it is from beneath the ice or beneath the earth. You will discover that your scientists already know that there is a system of tunnels, if you will, underground that connect from the Antarctic to the Arctic, and tunnels and channels underneath the ocean that connect all things. So it is very possible that we'll be returned to the surface of this earth, plants and life that has not been seen in a very long time. We ask you prepare for the heat. Be aware that it is necessary that you prepare. It is necessary that you learn to digest different things. It is important that you secure foods that carry a high volume of liquid. To do this, you are going to have to preserve water. There are many what you call disasters, fires and floods, but it is literally the stretching of the planet, the changes. This planet was never designed for the commercial, mechanical, all the products that are around now. It was never produced to exist upon this planet. We were meant to exist as simple, humble, perfect space. Technology has run riot, and it is technology that will save this, not the knowledge that brought forth the factories and the ironworks and all the dramas, but the technology that will see you into peace of mind and will allow you to wander into higher dimensions and different realms of being. We ask that you do not bring fear into the equation, for fear has no purpose. We have asked you many times to prepare. We are now telling you your existence depends on your preparation. The manner of your existence, there is no doubt you will exist, but the manner of your existence is significant.